Hello students. Now we are continuing with the discussion of dashboard which we have used into the previous lectures. Lastly, we have gone through the topic related to the creating a new post, editing the new post, deleting the new post and viewing the new post. Now we will continue our discussion for category and tag. So just click onto the post that you have created and go through the option called categories. Into the categories, first here it shows two options, that is all category and uncategorized. Uncategorized means if none of the category is given, it will show as a uncategorized category. Now we are creating our new category over here. Say for example student. And adding this category as a new category, then select the post, go into the uncategorized format. Here you will see the category that we have created will shown into the drop down list. Now suppose I am editing this particular post and scrolling down the entire page. Over here into the category, it shows the category. I am selecting the category called student and updating the entire post. Once the updation is completed, by viewing all the posts, instead of uncategorized, it shows student category over here. So this is the process for creating and updating the categories for the post. Again, I am repeating the entire topic for the same. For the post called test, first I am creating a category, that is material. I am adding this particular category. Then into the all post, I am selecting the post which is uncategorized and pressing the edit button. Scrolling down the page, here you will see the material category. Select that particular category and I am updating the post. Whenever I see the entire post, it shows the material category as well as student category over here. Now suppose I am filtering the entire listing by selecting onto the material and press filter. It shows only the post which is under the category called material. Suppose we want to see all the categories, then select all category and press enter. It will show all the posts with all the categories. Now same like the category, there is a tag, which tag reflects over here. So go into the tag, give the tag name. Say for example I am giving a tag name CS16 and adding that particular tag. One more tag I am creating, that is CS70. So I have two tags, CS70 and CS16. Now into the post, select the particular post. Say for example first I am selecting test1. Into the test1, here there is an option called tag. So type CS only, it will return the two tag that we have created. I am selecting the tag called CS16. and suppose I am inserting it, will display over here. Then just make an update into the post. It will return the created tag over the post. Now students, category we can specify a single one. Into the tag we can add multiple tags. Say for example, suppose I have inserted CS16 over here. Again I am editing this particular post, and into the tag I am adding CS17 for the same post and updating the post. Then it will show two tag over here, that is CS16 and CS17. Again I am repeating the same practical for the another post that is called as test. Just edit that particular post, scroll down, select the particular tag. Say for example I am selecting CS17 and press add, and then update. Go into the all post. Here you can say that into the test it contains a tag with CS17. So this is the method using which we can go for adding categories, we can go for adding tag. Now another one is comment. So for that, again go into the all post, select the particular post, press edit, scroll it down, just go into the next page, and over here just write down this is test as a comment and post that particular comment over here. Then go into the post. Automatically that comment will be displayed over here, which is passed by the client for a particular post. That comment can be unapproved, reply, quick edit, spam and trash. So suppose I am selecting unapproved, then automatically that particular comment will be displayed as an unapproved comment into the comment section for the particular post. And over here you will see the counter as a 0, and suppose I am pressing the comment button over here, then again it shows for the approval. Now suppose into the post I am selecting the particular comment and pressing the button called approve. Automatically change will be given into the comment and it comes into the category called unapproved, which is also reflected as a approved comment into the test1 list, which can be edited and deleted. Suppose I want to delete this particular comment, then simply click on trash. Particular comment will be deleted from the entire list. So this was all about the option into the called post. Again I am repeating only the portion of post. First one is all post. This will display all the posts which has been created by the user with the option called edit, quick edit, fresh and view. Next one is category. Whenever the post is created, it is uncategorized. Suppose we want to put it into the particular category, then it should be created first. So for creating the categories, go into the category window, give the name and create a new category. Then into the all post, select the post you want to assign to the particular category, press edit, scroll down and select the category that you want and press update. It will automatically update the category. Next one is tag. Category we can give a single one, but tag we can give multiple one. So into the tag, first we have to create the tag. For creating the tag, go into the tag window, type the tag name, press the button called add a new tag, then into the post, select the particular post, press edit, scroll down and assign a particular tag from over here and press add button, then update the tag. It will automatically display into the tag section. Now next one is comment. Comment is fired by the client for the particular post. So for that we have opened that particular post into the browser. Over there is a comment section. Just type a comment over here and press post. Go back to the dashboard, refresh the post. Here you can see the comment which has been passed by the user, which can be unapproved by the owner of particular post. Suppose I press unapproved, then this list will be removed from comment list and into the post you will see 0 comments. Suppose I want to delete all the comments, then select the comment and press trash. It will remove the entire comment from the list and your comment box will be displayed as a blank comment box over here. So all these are the options which is related with the post. Now suppose you have observed, whenever we have created the post, there is an option of adding media. So what is media? Media means external attachment, which can be voice, video, photographs, any external attachments are called as media. Right now here I am just adding a one photograph as a media. So into the post, select the particular post that you want to edit, press the button called add media. It will show a box like this, where we have to select the particular file. So select the file, then into the pictures, select the particular picture and press insert into the post. It will automatically displays the attached media onto the screen. Press update. Once the updation is done, click onto the hyperlink. It will show your attached media onto the screen like this. This might be any, as I have already instructed you, might be image, it might be voice, it might be video, any. Here I have attached my photograph over the post. Now suppose we want to remove this particular media, then it can be done either in two different ways. First, select the media, press on upload file, then select the file, select any other image from the dashboard, and press insert into the post, it will create another image onto the same post. Press backspace over here and update the post. I am just refreshing the post. It will show a new image onto the post. So this is the way to add new media into the created post. Almost all the concepts has been covered for the first option, which is called as post. We'll continue our session for another topic shortly.